I'm sure by now you've been wondering what this big stack of kits is for. Well, it's a little smaller now. It's been in some of my videos this year. Well, today I'm going to tell you what these kits are for. Hey guys, and welcome into the garage. This stack of kits are kits I want to find a new home for. I want them to be in someone else's stash that's in someone else's home. They're mostly unboxing video kits that I never really had an interest in building, or I did at some point. I simply lost interest. We all know how that goes, right guys? The plan is I'm going to start selling them soon. I'm going to be calling it the Peden's Garage Sale. Get it? Peden's Garage Sale? Probably next year at this point. I'll be selling them in the Peden's Garage Facebook group, as that's just a better place for that. I promise. I'm not trying to get more people to join the group. It's just a better platform to sell stuff. The second part of this plan is hopefully start a cycle of selling kits to help fund the purchase of more unboxing video kits. To be honest, the money I make with this channel each year might be enough to fund the purchase of 3 kits. It's just not a lot of money. And I just don't have the money or the room to purchase all the unboxing video kits that I would like to do. I like to grow the channel a little bit and start purchasing kits for the unboxing videos that I don't have an interest in, but have a larger interest. Maybe even large scale kits or smaller scale stuff, just more kits that I'm doing now. Basically solely for the purchase of doing unboxing videos. So the idea is after I do a video, I'll put the kit up for sale, and I'll put the info in the video description that this kit will be for sale a couple of days after I do the video, and then you guys can go purchase it. Hopefully it'll work and help fund future kit purchases. And I already have a few kits I'm going to put up for sale that I've recently done to be single kit sales, and we'll start with those and see how it goes. I'll do a video when the big stack of kits sale will start to let you all know, and as a reminder, and to go over the details of how the sale is going to go. A link to the Peden's Garage Facebook group is in all the video descriptions. So that's my idea. I hope it works. We'll see how it goes. Maybe you guys can help me grow the channel a little bit with buying some of the kits that I don't want to build or that I got for the sole purpose of doing the unboxing videos for. So with that, thank you guys for watching. We'll see you next time.